Hello friends, hope so you all are fine. Today we have a question: how to solve square root of 80 into 81 into 82 into 83 plus 1 without using calculator. So first of all, we will suppose here that n is equal to 80. If n is equal to 80, so 81 is 80 plus 1, so it's mean 81 means n plus 1. So it will become n plus 1 and it will become n plus 2, it will become n plus 3. So the given expression will be equal to n into n plus 1 into n plus 2 into n plus 3 and plus 1. So from here we will combine first and last term and second and fourth term. So we will multiply them. N into n square plus 3 or n 3n, and it will become n into n square, n into 2n, and then 1n, and 1 2 times 2 plus 1. Now we will add like terms. So it will become n square plus 3n, and it will become n square plus 3n plus 2 plus 1. Now we can see that here n square plus 3n and n square plus 3n are same. So we will suppose that t is equal to n square plus 3n. So the above expression will be equal to t into t plus 2, because n square plus 3n is t, so it will become t plus 2 plus 1. Now we will multiply it, so it will become t square plus 2t plus 1. As we know that a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So if we compare it, so it is t square plus 2 into a is t and b is 1 square, and here b is 1. So it is same as a plus b whole square, so it will become t plus 1 whole square. So from here square and square root will be cancelled out, and it is equal to t plus 1. But t is equal to n square plus 3n. So this expression will become n square plus 3n plus 1. But also n is equal to 80. So we will put the value of n here. So it will become 80 square plus 3 into 80 plus 1. So we will take square of 80, which is equal to 6400, and multiply 3 into 80, 3 0 times 0, 3 8 times 24 plus 1. Now we will add them, so it will become 6641. So square root of 80 into 81 into 82 into 83 plus 1 is equal to 6641. Hope so you will like my video. If you like my video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.